Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by picking the device and confirming you have an admin account. This speeds setup and prevents lockouts. Once done, create a dedicated child profile or family group so rules apply centrally. You'll want to record passwords and preferred age settings up front because making changes later is slower. Make a quick decision on screen time limits and content ratings now. This guides the rest of the configuration and prevents back and forth during the next steps. Now you configure limits and filters step by step so rules are consistent across apps. First, set daily screen time and bedtime blocks. This enforces routine. Next, apply app restrictions and age-based content ratings so inappropriate material is blocked automatically. Then, enable safe search and a web filter and restrict new app installs or purchases to require approval. Finally, link the child device to your parent app so you can monitor activity and adjust settings remotely when needed. Finish by testing each control so you confirm what the child actually sees and why a block happened. Once satisfied, add approved exceptions for homework apps and trusted contacts to avoid disruption. Make sure to explain rules to the child so expectations are clear. If something fails, first update the parent and child OS and app, then relink accounts. If problems persist, clear the parental app cache or remove and re-add the device. This usually resolves sync errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.